Welcome to the Friday Focus. My name is Dr. O from E&S Orthodontics, and I hope you enjoyed your short week this week. I hope your Labor Day weekend was fun and safe last weekend, and I'm looking forward to the fall season coming along. We're here in Arizona, so weather's starting to, the heat's starting to go away, so I'm excited for the fall season coming up. Today what I wanted to do is talk to you about hygiene and having good oral hygiene while you're in orthodontic care. And the reason that I want to talk about it is because yours truly got their braces on a couple weeks ago, and I think if you saw last week's Friday Focus, I mentioned that. And so today, after my lips have healed from when my son hit me in the face with his head, and so my ulcers are all gone. So what I wanted to do is sort of talk to you about home care and hygiene with orthodontics. And so one of the questions that comes up frequently is, how frequently should I brush? And since I have braces on and you can see them, I would just let you know that you probably at a minimum want to brush at least two or three times a day. But typically, if you have the opportunity to brush after every time you have a meal, that would be ideal. And I think if in a social setting, you're probably going to want to have your teeth clean. You know, you're going to want to have a toothbrush with you so that you can brush and get the food out from the wires and stuff like that. Second question people ask is how many times should you floss? And ideally, I will tell you, since it's a little bit harder to floss, if you're using traditional floss, you're probably going to do it one time daily. If you're using a water pick, which we recommend, you can use that multiple times, but at least do it one time daily. The other questions is some people like using rinses, and so there's different rinses from Listerine, and then we also do if you have some hygiene issues or you're concerned about inflammation of your gums, then we offer a product in the office called CTX, which helps reduce the pH balance, restores your pH balance in your mouth, and it allows you to reduce gingival inflammation. So we recommend that during treatment. So I haven't had braces on now for over 2 weeks. I can tell you that it's not as bad as you all make it out to be. A lot of it is just putting in the time, and so I like using my Oral-B toothbrush or another electric toothbrush. I do like the feel that it gives me by allowing the water to kind of get in between the brackets and the teeth. So I do recommend using that if you have the opportunity to do that. But again, I've been caught in situations where I use a manual toothbrush and I get the same effective wear. So I'm getting that same result. So hopefully, the other thing I wanted to say is I wanted to talk about the oral hygiene promotion that we do every month in our monthly newsletter. And so you remember we have a oral hygiene contest. So if you have really good hygiene, you'll have a chance to win a monthly contest, and we hope you enter those and exhibit good oral hygiene during the month. So the last thing I want to talk about, and I'm really excited, we got about 1 month, a little bit over a month before our fall festival on October 14th at the Peoria office. We have over 200 people who have signed up already, and so we're looking to have a great turnout, and hopefully it will not rain this year. And this year, we gave away 6 sets of braces last year. We're already going to be giving, if you pre-register, you'll have a chance to win free braces. And we encourage you to invite some friends and talk about it in your community, because it's a really great way to give back. And the second thing I wanted to talk about is, remember, we've tied in your Salvation Army donations also to winning a free set of braces. And we're looking to be the largest private event clothes drive for the year. And so remember what we said is, for every 10 pieces of clothing that you bring in, you're going to get a ticket. We're going to have a special drawing for the people who bring in clothing items. And just please, 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 make this the biggest event ever for 2016. So it's a great cause, and we've been fortunate to have them come to our event every year for the last couple years. So listen, have a great weekend. It is going to be, take care, enjoy the heat. It's almost breaking off here in Arizona, but enjoy it, have fun, be safe, and we'll see you next week at the next Friday Focus.